Hello, my name is Donna and I am an English teacher. Today we're going to talk about books. This is a hardback book. A hardback book has a hard cover. See, I'm hitting it with a hammer and it is very, very hard. Hardback book. 2 hardback books. This is a softback book. I don't want to hit the softback book with a hammer because it is soft. Panda is also soft, and Panda likes soft books, so he cuddles the softback covered books. Oh, how nice. Hardback book, softback book. Now I'm cooking the books. So, do we usually cook the books? No. So, this only means one thing. Cooking the books is an idiom. Cooking the books means not cooking, but creating figures that are not true. So, in 2019, I lost a lot of money, £10,000. My goodness. But I need an investment, so let's cook the books a little bit and make up a profit. There you go. No problem. Now I can approach an investor and say to him, we made a lot of money in 2019, please invest. I'm only looking for £1 million. You'll get your money back in no time. Excellent. This is a spine. Spine. The spine of the book has the title and the author written on it. I like to arrange my books with all the spines facing forwards so that you can see the names. These are the spines of the books. This is the cover and the spine. The spine. This is a softback book. The spine of the softback book. Now here is the author. The author of this book is David Walliams. He's a famous author from the UK. And here is another famous author, a very famous author. His name is Charles Dickens. Here is the title of the book, A Christmas Carol. The title of the book is A Christmas Carol. Now, you should never judge a book by its cover. Is this a Chinese food cooking book? No, it's not. It's an A-level mathematics book. You should never judge a book by its cover. This means that you should not look at a person based on what you see on the outside. What's inside is what's important. Now here we have illustrations. Illustrations are little pictures inside books. They help to tell the story. You can find them in all kinds of books, children's books and adults' books. Here is an illustration of 2 feet. Now, here is Panda. He won't tell me what he's thinking. He never does. I try to talk to him, but he doesn't say a thing. Now I'm reading him like a book. I'm reading him like a book. I can see what he's thinking and what he's feeling. When you read someone like a book, it means you can look at them and you can see their thoughts and their feelings and you know what they mean. Here is a chapter. This is chapter 1. These are short chapters. It only has 2 pages for one chapter. This is chapter 2. And this is chapter 3. 3 chapters. Now, I'm a bit of a bookworm. That means I like reading books a lot. Here I am, enjoying reading books. Someone who enjoys books a lot is called a bookworm. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much. Please help me. Subscribe, like, share. You know the deal. Goodbye from me. Goodbye from Merlin. Toodaloo.